What is going on, guys? Gregos TV. As you can see, I have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus in my hand, a blue one. I used to have a black one, 512. This is a 256. Let's get into why I rebought the phone and how I rebought it. So if you remember a little bit ago, a few weeks back, I put out a video saying I lost my Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I still have not found it. It's nowhere to be found. I have no idea what I did. I'm assuming, again, I probably threw it in the trash accidentally when I was cleaning my office up, and now it's completely gone and I'll never get it back again. So I was thinking, I'm like, I miss that phone. I love the big, beautiful screen. And that's really what I'm looking at all day and how I'm using it. And the battery life is good and the camera is good. And the phone is awesome. Let's be honest. We all know it's awesome. So what I did is I sold my Xbox One and I sold some other things as well online and to friends. And the deals for these Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus phones were crazy. There was like 200 bucks off, free earbuds, or like $500 in free gifts, like awesome deal. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it again. I hate to buy it again, but I'm gonna buy it again. So I took advantage of the deal where you get $200 off plus free Galaxy Buds, which I don't need and I don't want. I'll actually sell those to cut into the price a little bit more for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And as you can see, I got the 256 Galaxy Note 10 Plus in blue. I had previously the 512 in black. I chose the blue just to get a little something different. I didn't want the mirrory color because it looks like a fingerprint magnet, and this is definitely a fingerprint magnet as well, but I don't know, I chose this one. It's a nice looking color. It's beautiful, why not? And with that, letting you guys know, I will be making a lot more videos with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus like I have in the past. You know, walkthroughs and how-tos and whatever comes about on this phone, I will be letting you guys know all about it because I have another Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And then the other thing is, you know, even though I spent, you know, 800 bucks and then I can get that price down by selling some the buds and things like that. And obviously, and the other thing was the cashback. It was like 15% cashback. That's the other amazing thing because I use ebates, which if you don't use, I'll link that down below. Sign up and you can get cash back on tons of site and 10 bucks back on your first purchase. But anyways, besides all that stuff, trading in this phone when the new Galaxy phone comes out will basically cover the cost of this phone, because if you think about the trade-in offers that were for when, you know, the Galaxy S10 and Note 10 came out, you could get up to 600 bucks trade-in with the previous generation of phones. So I highly expect the very same thing, which means I'm buying this phone now, but I can put that cost fully into the Galaxy S11 Plus. So to me, it's a wash. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you down the road and welcome me back, hopefully with open arms. Peace.